continue to look, my friend. You will see the real Black River as we go along. Well, over to our left ahead of us, that's the Santa Cruz Mountain. The Santa Cruz Mountain is approximately 1,600 feet above sea level. Over on the Santa Cruz Mountain, you find three of Jamaica's largest college, the Hampton Girls School for Girls, and the Bethlehem Teachers College, and the Monroe College for Boys. Right here, sir. In spite of all these crocodiles we have here inside the river, here you can see one of our lovely divers. There he is. Preparing himself to go inside the water. So maybe on our way back we will see him swimming, eh? Yeah, man.
Hey, my hungry friend, you gonna swim in the river?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my.